Hi beautiful people, I hope you all are doing good and enjoying this winter season. So what's your New Year resolution? Because this year is going to be ended and I hope you have some plans for the next year. If your plan is to learn English, to speak English fluently, then please do it now because this is indeed the most important language to communicate and to do day-to-day conversation. Some students learn English just because they need to clear their IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, whatever English test they need to clear. They learn this language just for that purpose. But that's wrong. You really need to learn English for your daily conversations to boost your confidence level. So I'll suggest you some ways which can help you out to speak English fluently. Before talking about the ways, I need to mention one thing because some students come to me and ask me, "Ma'am, आपकी English शुरू से ऐसी है?" Do you really feel शुरू से ऐसी होगी? Because हमारी mother tongue is Punjabi. So obviously मेरे घर पे भी पंजाबी ही बोलते थे. But my father was good in English, so I used to talk to him. And I had that passion to speak in English. So उसके लिए मैंने कुछ practice किया है. So that's what I'm going to mention. मैंने mirror practice बहुत ज़्यादा किया. I used to look at myself in the mirror. मैं अपना body language देखती थी, अपने expressions. Am I looking good while speaking? And in fact, I had one dog with me, so I used to speak with my dog Caesar. So मैं उसके साथ बात करती होती थी. After that, video practice is something that could really help you. See, right now I'm also making video, but earlier when I used to make videos, I used to take I think 100 of retakes, but now it's only one go, and this is it. So you can make your videos. And कुछ students का ये भी होता है कि मैम हम जब वीडियो बनाते we are unable to speak, बहुत सारे retakes लेने पड़ते हैं, तो it's okay ना. I even used to take a lot of retakes. But if you get problem in taking the retakes, what you can do is like put on the headphones, music on कर दो, play the music. And songs नहीं, I'm not talking about songs, I'm talking about the music. Music play कर दो and then आप video बनाओ किसी भी topic के ऊपर, you can speak. So that way slowly and gradually you will get into it. And please practice मत छोड़ो. आपको एक बार नहीं आपसे बोला जाता, दो बार नहीं बोला जाता, and you are like that's it, we can't do it. But this is the practice आपको regularly रखनी पड़ेगी to become proficient in it. आप उससे हार नहीं मान सकते, ठीक है? So until unless आपका practice उस level तक का नहीं है, you can't get into it. So take it like a language. The way you speak in Hindi or the way you speak in Punjabi, similarly you need to speak in English. One more thing, आप also speak normal English. आप vocab के पीछे please मत भागिए. आप normal basic English से start करेंगे तभी जाके आप vocab तक पहुंच पाएंगे. Because आप initially अगर vocab के पीछे भागते हैं, आप कभी भी fluent नहीं हो पाओगे. So simple English से आप start करिए. Start with the normal words and try to make yourself fluent in English language first of all and then proceed further. If I talk about myself, आज morning में मेरी class चल रही थी online. So I was actually talking to my students and I told them कि हम जब हिंदी में किसी से बात करते हैं, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है या मेरी पंजाबी बहुत अच्छी है, कहते हैं ना ठेठ पंजाबी. सो मेरी ठेठ पंजाबी नहीं है, बट इट्स लाइक इफ आई एम टॉकिंग विद समबडी इन पंजाबी, आई एम इवन कॉन्फिडेंट इन पंजाबी. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट्स माय मदर टंग. मेरी डे टू डे लाइफ में मैं हिंदी में भी बात करती हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश में भी बात करती हूँ. इट्स लाइक इफ आई नीड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश, आई वुड बी confident in English. So that confidence level you need to build and start with the basic English. आप वहाँ से भी start कर सकते हो. If you need to put an impression, आपको लगता है नहीं हम vocabulary से start करेंगे, then only we will be able to put the impression. अब आपको normal English नहीं आती and you are putting the heavy words, other person would get to know this is something that you have cramped. So that thing shouldn't be there. So please understand that. Try to do mirror practice. Make your videos. You can talk to your dog, cat, whatever domestic animals you have, and practice English. Have some friend in your life with whom you can speak in English. But please practice मत छोड़ो. एक दो दिन नहीं होता, हिम्मत मत हारो. हम दोबारा बेसिक आप पंजाबी एंड हिंदी पे मत आ जाओ, ठीक है? एंड ट्राई कि जब आप इंग्लिश में बात करो, डू नॉट इन्वॉल्व दैट हिंदी एंड पंजाबी लैंग्वेज इन बिटवीन. कई बार हम सेंटेंस नहीं बोल पाते एंड वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग दैट पंजाबी एंड हिंदी. ट्राई नॉट डूइंग दैट. हैव दैट पैशन, करेज, ऑल्सो फील लाइक वर्किंग ऑन इट. तो प्लीज आज से ही स्टार्ट करो. ये नहीं कि एक दिन हमने इंग्लिश में बात करी, अगले दिन हम फिर हिंदी पे आ गए, उससे बात नहीं बनेगी. यू नीड English and throughout English. It's not like one word or two words you're bringing Hindi and Punjabi ke in between and then you are communicating. It would not work that way because आजकल it is something that is in high demand. So I hope my suggestions would help you out and you will start practicing and have somebody in your life with whom you can communicate as much as you feel like. तो वो एक friend life में होना ज़रूरी है जिससे normal बातचीत share करो but English में. So all the best and happy new year.